morning to all. As part of our online class, today I am going to discuss surgical instrument for paramedical students. Now I am going to explain one by one instrument name and use. This is the sponge holder. When it is using means before surgery, when they want to clean means they clean the skin preparation time, they are using this one. This is the sponge holder. Next one is needle holder. After surgery, doctor want to stick the skin. That time they are using needle holder. Here lock is there. You have to do lock like this. The next one is towel clip. After scrubbing and cleaning, we have to do draping. At that time, we have to expose only surgical part. After making the towel, we have to hold like this towel clip. It's like a clip. So name is towel clip. Next one is forceps. This is non-tooth forceps because here no tooth is available. So this is non-tooth forceps and this is the tooth forceps. Here tooth are available. So that is the difference between non-tooth and tooth forceps. Next, this is the BP handle. When we are doing surgery, you have to fix the blade in this part. Here numbers are available, 3 number and 4 number blades are available. According to the blade size, we have to fix in this place. Mostly 4 number blade we are using for 20, 22, 23 blades. In 3 number BP handle, we are using 10, 11 and 15 blades. So this is the 3 number BP handle. This is the 4 number BP handle. Next one is nasal speculum. This one mainly using ENT surgery. ENT surgery means ear, nose, throat surgery. In that time they are using, specially this name is nasal speculum. Next one is curved artery forceps. This is long one. Here also sizes will come. Medium size, small size. This is the long curved artery forceps. During surgery time, any bleeding comes means, if any veins or artery open means, they will hold like this. So this is the curved artery forceps. Next one is straight artery forceps. Here the difference between these two means, this is the curved portion, that's why curved artery forceps, because we are holding the artery when bleeding time. So this is the curved artery forceps. This is the straight artery forceps. Difference between these two, this is the curved portion, this is the straight. That's why straight artery, curved artery. This straight artery, why they are using means, when suturing time, the other end they will hold with this portion. Next instrument is double hook retractor. Here 1, 2, double hook retractor. When they are using means, when plastic surgery time, any smaller surgery, IND, incision and drainage, that time they will hold the skin like this. So double hook retractor, it's one type of retractor. Next one is Alice forceps. So this very important during surgery. After cutting the skin, they will cut the muscle. So in that time they will hold the muscle like this. Here one instrument and another portion. One more Alice, they will hold like this. In the middle they will do the incision. So Alice forceps mainly useful for holding the muscle. The next one is again towel clip. Needle holder, small size. Tooth forceps, here tooths are available, so tooth forceps. This is the dressing forceps. Here the difference between straight artery and dressing forceps means, here straight artery we have the locking system, but dressing forceps we don't have locking system in this place. Next one is green amputation. These instruments mainly using OBG surgeries. That means if patient is having any fibroid uterus, in that time they will hold the uterus in these instruments. Green amputation. This is Alice forceps. Here also sizes are there. small size, this is the long Alice. This is the medium Alice forceps, this is the long Alice forceps. Sponge holder. This is Valsallam. These instruments also mainly we are using OBG surgery to hold the cervix part. Mainly hysterectomy time they want to hold the uterus means they will use this one. This is Valsallam, mainly holding the cervix part. Again long Alice, again green amputage, mainly using cervix holding, fibroid uterus holding time, hysterectomy surgery we are using. This is the sponge holder, long sponge holder. This is the Chittil forceps. Chittil forceps why we are using means if we want to transfer the instrument one place to another place, for the sterile method we are using Chittil forceps. This name is Chittil forceps. Again sponge holder. This is the ovum forceps. Difference between sponge holder and ovum forceps means here also in sponge holder locking system is there, but ovum forceps we don't have the locking system. So this one mainly we are using DNC procedure, dilatation and curettage, or any abortion time they want to remove the inner side particles means that time they are using this forceps. They will hold like this, remove the particle from inside the uterus. Again Valsallam. This is the uterine sound. So if they want to do DNC procedure, that time they will first measure the length of the uterine, then only they will do the surgery. This is the uterine sound. This is the Doyen's retractor. When abdominal surgery, mainly hysterectomy or laparotomy surgery, they want to hold the uterus or abdominal muscle, that time they will use this one, Doyen's retractor. Next one is Dever's retractor. This also major surgery, mostly abdominal surgery, laparotomy surgery, they are using this one. If patient is obesity time, they have more muscle, that time they are using these two types retractor. This is the Doyen retractor, this is the Dever's retractor. So these three, sim speculum, if any vaginal examination, any OBG procedure, mainly they are using this one, bimanual sim speculum, 1, 2, bimanual means 2. This is the sim speculum, mainly examination of the vaginal time. This is the duck speculum, it's like a duck's mouth, that's why this is the duck speculum. This also examination time they are using this one. So these all the dilators. Female dilator, other name is Heger's dilators. Here also sizes are available. If patient is having any urinary problem, the urine is not coming properly means the doctor will do dilatation first, then the urethra will open, the urine will come automatically. This is the Heger's dilators. This is the curettage. Here also sizes are available. This is the small size, that is the big one. If DNC procedure or any abortion time, they will do curettage like that. Then after curettage, they will remove the particle from the ovum forceps. This is the curettage, this is the ovum forceps. These two instruments is very important in DNC and abortion procedure. Next one is Valsallam to hold the cervix part. This is Alice forceps, long one. These three, fetoscope to listening the fetus sound. This is the protoscope. When we are using means if patient is having hemorrhoids, if doctor want to examination means that time they are using this one, protoscope, small one. This is the curved scissor. We have two types of scissor, curved scissor and straight scissor. Curved scissor we are using internal part muscle cutting time. So straight scissor only we have to use suture cutting. So this is the curved scissor. This is Alice forceps, small one. Non-tooth forceps. Knee hammer. This one mainly using neurophysician they will use. They want the sensation of the joints means that time they will use this one, knee hammer. Needle holder. The last is sponge holder.